Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful wig. This wig is from Ali Pro Hair. It is 22 inches long, but I do feel like it's longer than 22 inches. The density is 250. This is how the hair looks fresh out the box. It's this really pretty chocolate brown color. I'm gonna put this wig on top of the wig that I'm wearing right now because I want you guys to see how it looks on me before I alter the color. There's nothing wrong with this color. The color is beautiful. It just gives me more fall vibes than it does summer, which is why I'm going to change the color of this wig. I've been seeing the copper red brown hair color go around a lot lately, so I decided to try it out for myself. I just did the watercolor method, so the colors I used was Paprika, Cajun Spice, and Crimson. Cajun Spice and Paprika, I used the whole bottle of those two colors, and then I used a little bit of Crimson because I didn't want the hair to turn burgundy or red. I was trying to get that red-orange hair color, if you guys know what I mean. So only a little bit of Crimson, and the other two colors, Paprika and Cajun Spice, I used the whole thing. I just mixed those three colors together and I dipped the wig into that water. I did spray the lace first with Gots to Be so that I wouldn't stain the lace, and I left this hair in the bucket of water for about 45 minutes. So this hair takes color really well, you guys. I didn't have to lighten up the hair. I didn't bleach it or anything. I just dipped it in there. After the 45 minutes, I went ahead and installed the wig. I used liquid foundation to tint the lace, and before I actually put it on, I did hot comb the roots of the hair. You guys, this color is so beautiful. I'm so happy it came out right because this was my first time doing it. But I am obsessed with this hair color. I think it just looks so much better compared to the original color that this wig came in. My sister has also tried Ali Pro's wigs and she loves them. She has the same exact wig, but she didn't change the color. It's just that pretty chocolate brown. I do like this color way better than how it looked before. I just think this color just looks so much better on my skin tone, and it just gives me summer vibes. Originally, I wanted to keep it straight and sleek, but this unit has a lot of hair on it, and I just felt like I wasn't going to be able to get it as bone straight as I would have liked because of how much hair was on it. It just would have took a long time, honestly. I added heat protectant before I curled the hair, but I didn't add like a hairspray, and the curls just looked really beautiful throughout the whole day. Look at how pretty this hair is, you guys. I am obsessed with this hair color, how long it is, how full it is. It is just so beautiful. I will leave all of the hair details in my description box along with all of the colors that I used. And of course, if you guys have any other questions about this wig, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.